Welcome to Jason on English. Let's look at while versus during by request. Common mistake. A lot of students make mistakes using while and during. They are used in similar situations, so mistakes are natural. The difference between how to use these words is very simple. SV, while SV, or while SV, SV. When you use while, you're joining two sentences. During noun, SV, or SV during noun. When you use during, there are not two sentences, there's only one. During does not join two sentences. During only adds the time period as a noun. While. You can use while to join two sentences. The sentence starting with while shows a time period. The other sentence shows an event that happened in that time period. I was in Guam, time period. I went surfing, event. While I was in Guam, I went surfing. I went surfing while I was in Guam. You can put while at the beginning of the sentence, or you can put while in the middle of the sentence. You can put the time period first or last. Let's repeat. While I was in Guam, I went surfing. I went surfing while I was in Guam. If the subjects of both sentences are the same, you can use ing with while. Bob was jogging. Bob saw a big rabbit. Both sentences have the same subject, Bob. While Bob was jogging, he saw a big rabbit. While jogging, Bob saw a big rabbit. Bob saw a big rabbit while jogging. If you see ing with while, like in this example, it means the ing word has the same subject as the main part of the sentence. Repeat after me. While jogging, Bob saw a big rabbit. Bob saw a big rabbit while jogging. During. Do not use a sentence or ing with during. The word during needs a noun to show the time period. The sentence is an event that happened in that time period. My summer vacation. This is a time period. We have the noun vacation. My summer vacation. This is not a sentence. I went to Guam. This is an event. This is a sentence. During my summer vacation, I went to Guam. I went to Guam during my summer vacation. You can put during at the beginning or in the middle. You can put the time period first or last. Repeat after me. During my summer vacation, I went to Guam. I went to Guam during my summer vacation. Are the sentences correct? Check if the sentences are correct or not. First, repeat after me. Bob ate a sandwich during his lunch break. Is this correct? Yes. His lunch break is a noun. Using during is correct. Next, please repeat after me. Jim listened to music during he was training at the gym. Is this sentence correct? No, it is incorrect. You should use while. He was training at the gym is a sentence. It's not a noun. Jim listened to music while he was training at the gym is correct. Next, repeat after me. Anne lost her smartphone while jogging. Is this correct? Yes, it's correct. Jogging is ing. That means it has the same subject as the other sentence. So this means Anne was jogging. This is a sentence using while is correct. Next, repeat after me. During sleeping, Bob had a dream about a unicorn. Is that correct? No, it is incorrect. Do not use ing with during. Ing means it has the same subject as the other sentence. In this case, Bob was sleeping. When you're adding a sentence to show the time period, you need while. While sleeping, Bob had a dream about a unicorn is the correct sentence. Repeat after me. While his wife made a salad, Jim set the table for dinner. Is this correct? Yes, it is correct. His wife made a salad. That is the time period. Jim set the table for dinner happened in that time period. We are joining two sentences. We need while. Repeat after me. During the meeting, Anne almost fell asleep. Is this correct? Yes. The meeting is a noun. The time period is only a noun. Using during is correct. Make sentences. Use the cues to make sentences. Be careful. You can use while and during at the beginning or in the middle. There might be more than one way to make a sentence. Let's check the first cues. The party. Bob drank too much wine. Think about it. Try to make some sentences. How can you join this information? Repeat after me. During the party, Bob drank too much wine. And next, Bob drank too much wine during the party. In this case, the party is our time period. It is a noun. We need to use during. Let's check the next cues. Jim was in high school. Jim was in the drama club. Can you join these? Let's check. Repeat after me. While Jim was in high school, he was in the drama club. And repeat after me. Jim was in the drama club while he was in high school. In this case, we are joining two sentences. While is the best way. The next cues. Bob rented a car. Bob visited New York. How can you join this information? Let's check. Repeat after me. Bob rented a car while he visited New York. While Bob visited New York, he rented a car. Bob rented a car while visiting New York. While visiting New York, Bob rented a car. We have several options in this case. We can use ing because we have the same subject in both sentences. We can put while first, or we can put while in the middle. Lots of options here. Let's check the next cues. Jim met his future wife. a summer festival. Can you make a sentence? Repeat after me. Jim met his future wife during a summer festival. During a summer festival, Jim met his future wife. Next. Here are the cues. Anne had a great time. Her mother stayed with her. Can you join these? Repeat after me. Anne had a great time while her mother stayed with her. While her mother stayed with her, Anne had a great time. We can't use ing in this case because each sentence has a different subject. In one sentence, the subject is Anne. In the other sentence, the subject is her mother. The next cues. The job interview. Anne couldn't stop sweating. How can you join these? Repeat after me. During the job interview, Anne couldn't stop sweating. Anne couldn't stop sweating during the job interview. If you like, please watch this video again. Try to remember the differences in how to use while and how to use during. Also, make your own sentences. Think of a time period and an event in that time period, and practice making sentences using while and during. This target was made by request. If you have any requests, please leave them in the comments. I'm happy to make videos about any questions or requests people have about how to use English. Thank you for watching.